VPs Chiwenga Mohadi salute President Mnangagwa on 83rd birthday. The 14th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, Zimbabwe's Vice Presidents Dr. Constantino Chiwenga and Kembo Mohadi have sent warm and heartfelt birthday wishes to President Emerson Dambuds Mnangagwa, who turns 83 tomorrow, the 15th of September 2025. Chiwenga's tribute. In his message, Dr. Chiwenga praised President Mnangagwa's visionary leadership, describing him as a dedicated statesman, committed to the transformation of Zimbabwe into an upper-middle-income country. On behalf of my family and office, I wish His Excellency the President, Shumba Murambwe, a happy birthday. May you and the First Family be blessed with wisdom, strength, and good health, Chiwenga said. He highlighted major achievements under Mnangagwa's leadership, including strides in economic development, infrastructure growth, and social progress, and also paid tribute to his recent tenure as SADC chairperson, where Zimbabwe's voice was amplified across the region. Mohadi's message. Vice President Mohadi echoed the sentiments, commending Mnangagwa's unwavering commitment to national unity and prosperity. Your leadership continues to inspire the nation as Zimbabwe rises with resilience, pride, and unity, Mohadi said. He emphasized the president's focus on macroeconomic stability, job creation, infrastructure expansion, and human capital development through the National Development Strategy 1, NDS1, national festivities in ZVAITWA. Tomorrow's celebrations will go beyond personal tributes, as more than 30,000 youths are expected to converge in ZVAITWA for the Munhumutapa Day celebrations, which have been tied to the president's birthday. Organizers say the day will symbolize empowerment, unity, and resilience, aligning the personal milestone of the head of state with the collective aspirations of the nation.